In this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can use ClickUp for a personal home renovation construction. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, go to Create and then go to Templates. From here, type in Renovation on the search bar. And as you can see, you should have many templates that you can use. Let's use this template for example. This is a home renovation project management. So let's use this template. Now, give it a folder name and on which folder should this be created. Then you have the option to import everything or customize the import items. You also have the option to import as is or remap the dates of the start and due dates. And lastly, if you want to include the archive task, so use the plate. After that, ClickUp will need some time to set this new template. And once it's fully set up, it will automatically open and be seen right here on your left panel. So give ClickUp a few moments. Now, as you can see, it's already open. This includes a list view of all your projects in the kitchen, nursery, bathroom, bedroom, the project stages, like the planning and costing. Is it ongoing or is it completed? Lastly, a calendar view for you to track all your tasks. So, since this template is for free, you have full access and full authority to edit and customize the names of the tasks, which can help you in tracking your progress for your home renovation. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.